Hello guys. How is your day today? This tutorial will give you the installation guide for VMWARE WorkStation Pro 16. I will provide the license key for the VMware. Note, this is for educational purpose. Please respect the developers and company. Developers work years and years for developing the softwares, so purchase the software license. VMware needs virtualization enable on your system. I made a video on how to enable virtualization from BIOS in UEFI mode. You can find the video in description or on I button. To download the software you can go to official website. I will give the link down below in the description, so you don't redirect to the fake website. Now scroll down and you will find Workstation 16 Pro for Windows. And click on download now. After downloading, run the program. After the setup startup, click on the next. Accept the end user license agreement and click on next. Select this option. This will give better performance for input devices. Click on next. And uncheck the second option. Now click next. Next again. And install. After the installation, click on license. Paste the key given in description down below. After entering license, click on enter and finish. Now restart the computer to start the VMware network adapters. After restart, you can run the VMware. Now you can run your operating system for free. As I mentioned, this is only for educational purpose. Please respect the company policies. If you don't want to use it, then you can go for VMware Workstation Player, which is free to use. Hit the like button if this video helps you. Follow me on Instagram. I will post facts, tips, and tricks related to tech. If you face any difficulties, just mail me or message me on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel to get the more tutorials in tech related topics, mostly about Linux and Windows. That subscribe button motivates me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.